Marshal, looks like it's time for a real mission. Absorb 50 purple minions and head toward the lodestar before time runs out. We must have done that. Maybe we'll get down to who's behind this. Well done. You got 50 purple minions. What was that? The two cars are flying up in the air and they crashed. And they crashed on the floor and broken down. Looks like we got company. Approach the rocket launcher bay over there and then bust it up. And then bust it up. The energy cores are weak spots. Once the doors are open, you need to rush over and pound on it. The launching rocket fuel is their weak spots. Once the doors are open, they're refilling. You need to rush over and pound on it before it closes again. There are 4 hits. Marshal's mission log, entry 2. The squad are so curious about those fire beans. This encounter, I was trying to come up with an answer, but the truth is, I'm not so the dark and I don't know what's there. Chase noticed that the lodestar, there's another emerald not too far away. And I had to order troops to move out to fix this, to restore this place. And Tracer let me flash a secret grin. He's approval of my plans. He's quite approval of my plans. He's a great approval of my plans. Our first mission, let's fly in the sky, because our first mission was a success. Everything is getting more dangerous, and now the purple minions knew that we're there. Actually, it wasn't over my head. It's also been there. Always good. And hopefully we'll be there.